Om Namaha Shivaya. Yeah, it's an extremely very unique collection. Third eye of Lord Shiva conch. Yeah, it's a very unique collection. Opening of the conch will look in the shape of third eye of Lord Shiva. It's a big one and small one. Very rarest unique collection from the Indian Ocean. See, this is a normal conch opening. This is the third eye of Lord Shiva conch opening. You can see the difference. It is extremely very heavy. Thickness of a conch also heavy. Look like a perfect thread of Lord Shiva. It is available as a pair. Om Namah Shivaya, Om Namah Shivaya, Om Namah Shivaya. Very unique collection. Third eye of Lord Shiva, conch from Indian Ocean. Extremely very powerful. Makes you to feel extreme energy of Lord Shiva. Om Namah Shivaya, Om Namah Shivaya, Om Namah Shivaya.